Wait. But we're stuck here.
Wisely.
I don't know.
I think I might have some.
But I don't know. Psst. Hey,
I think I'll have at least enough fiber content to deal with
your
it.
clue is in your chair. You found the clue for my mystery activity. My clue says Mari's present is red.